Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I care for my hair between washes. I don't wash my hair that much. I only wash my hair once a month, and between that month I pretty much deep condition my hair once a week. At least I try to deep condition my hair once a week, because I told you guys before in like a previous video, I've been having issues with my scalp, and my scalp has been really dry. I believe that I maybe have psoriasis, and I have been seeing a dermatologist for it, but I have not been using any type of medication that my dermatologist give me. I just kind of use my own products and see what works good with my hair. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna show you how I care for my hair between washes. Right now I have braids in my head. I had these braids in for about 2 weeks now because I've been wearing a wig. Like I said, I usually try to deep condition my hair once a week unless I have a wig on, but usually if I have a wig on, I try not to go no more than 2 weeks without, you know, deep conditioning my hair, because if not, my scalp is going to get really itchy and flaky. So first thing first, you guys, I'm gonna get ready to take these braids out, and once I take them out, I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay guys, so now I have taken all my braids out, and I'm going to go and saturate my hair, wet my hair, saturate it with water, wet it, and I'm gonna do that, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I have wet my hair with water, and now that my hair is completely wet, we're going, because I like to work in sections, so I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Okay, so now we're just working with one side. So right here I have a spray bottle full of the aloe vera. I extracted the gel from the aloe vera plant, and by now I should have up my video to show you how I, you know, made my pretty much deep conditioner. So yeah, definitely check out that video. But right now I am going to saturate my hair with the aloe vera leave-in conditioner. And here is what I use for my conditioner, and I will put all the products that I'm using down below. Now once we have put the conditioner on this side, we pretty much repeat the same step on the other side. And yeah, now once I do the other side, I'm going to come back to you guys. Okay guys, so now that I'm done doing this side, we're going to come back to this side because now we're about to get ready to detangle it. Okay guys, so the hair is completely detangled, and usually once I detangle it, I kind of go back in with the aloe vera spray and spray it again to make sure that it's completely saturated. Guys, so once I do that, I then put all this into a ponytail, and then I put my plastic cap on, and then I let this sit either overnight or I let it sit for a few hours. So I let it sit maybe about an hour or two. It depends on if I'm rushing to do my hair or not, and if not, if I don't have anywhere to go, I just let it sit overnight. And then I wash it out the next morning. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour or two, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Hi guys, I'm back. So I washed my hair out. It's the next morning. I pretty much let it sit in my hair all night, went to sleep, woke up this morning and washed it out. So yeah, usually I don't let it sit like that late or let it sit overnight, but I figured my hair needed a really deep conditioner and it wouldn't have hurt it. So yeah, I let it sit overnight, and as you can see, my scalp looks healthy. Yes. So I'm gonna get ready to blow dry my hair. And to blow dry my hair, you guys, I use the Ite. I think that's how you pronounce it, Ite. So I use that, the Ite Butter Shine, for a this is to protect my hair. Oh, a heat protector, sorry. So I use this for my heat protector, so when I, blow dry my hair, it protects my hair from the heat. You don't need to use a lot of this. I've been having this for a long time. So yeah, I use the Ite to blow dry my hair. So let's get started with blow drying the hair. Okay, y'all, so I am done. Oh, I got hair on my camera. I am done blow drying my hair. And now usually once I do this, I just kind of braid my hair into 2 braids. But first I have to oil my scalp. So here is my oil that I use to oil my scalp. And this is my homemade oil that I mixed together. And I will put up a video soon about all the different oils that I use. So yeah, so I'm just going to oil my scalp with my, again, homemade oil that I made. Well, I didn't make it, but I mixed it together. So yeah, so let's get started doing that.